Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Let's make creamy chicken Alfredo pasta. Please stick around and watch this video. First, I'm gonna start by seasoning the chicken, and I have 2 chicken breasts, but first I'm gonna even it out so that they can cook evenly. So I just want to flatten this down like so. Okay, now we're gonna season it, and you want to ensure you wash your chicken breast before cooking. I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon of Barilla Complete seasoning. I'm gonna season both sides of the chicken. Chicken seasoning, your favorite chicken or poultry seasoning, 1 tablespoon, because you want your chicken to have lots of flavor. And we're not going to use any salt here on the chicken, so you want to ensure that the chicken is seasoned. Okay. One tablespoon of garlic powder. And for me, you don't really have to measure garlic powder. You can use as much as you like. Some Italian seasoning, and I'm using about 1 tablespoon again. And here I have some paprika. And the paprika is just really for the color, unless you have smoked paprika. So we're gonna let this marinate for about 20 to 25 minutes, or you can go ahead and cook this right away. Here I have the pot with some water to boil the fettuccine, and I'm gonna add some salt. I'm gonna salt this like the ocean, and I'm gonna turn this on and wait till a rapid boil for me to add the fettuccine in, or the pasta. And I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay, and I'm gonna add about 1 teaspoon of oil, canola oil, your favorite oil, to it. Now I'm going to add the chicken breast. I'm going to cook this for about 5 minutes on one side and 5 minutes on the next side. Look at this beautiful, oh my god. I'm gonna take this and put aside and add the next chicken breast. Now we're gonna do the same for this. The water has come to a rapid boil. Now I'm gonna add the pasta to the pot. I'm gonna let this boil for about 5 to 6 minutes. I'm gonna make the sauce. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of butter. I'm gonna let this butter melt, and yes, you want to use the same pot that you fry the chicken in. It's gonna give you lots of flavor. I add 2 cloves of garlic, and I'm gonna add half of onion chopped, half of chopped onion. And I'm just going to saute this until the onion is translucent. We don't want the garlic to burn because we don't want that bitter taste from the garlic. Okay? So you want them to look like so. I'm going to add my heavy cream. You could use half and half if you don't got heavy cream. Oh my goodness, this is smelling amazing already. If you could only smell this. It's quick and easy to make and tasting so delicious. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of my Badia Complete seasoning. So I'm basically just gonna use the seasoning that I use to season the chicken. 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning is 1 teaspoon of black pepper or ground pepper. I'm gonna add some crushed red pepper flakes. Totally optional. I just like to eat chicken with some pepper in it. We're gonna let this come to a nice simmer. So now the pasta is finished. I'm gonna turn the stove off for the pasta. Now for the sauce, I'm gonna add the Parmesan cheese, and this is about 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. You can add your favorite cheese, any shredded cheese you like to add to this. Okay. So now I'm just gonna cut some of this chicken up. I'm gonna use 1 for presentation, and I'm gonna add 1 to the sauce. And you absolutely can cut this however you like it. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This is so juicy. Look at this chicken breast. So I'm definitely gonna add this one to the sauce. Just gonna add the chicken to the sauce. And you want to also taste your sauce before. Taste if you like it. Taste if you want to add more seasoning or salt, pepper. Always taste. I'm also gonna add some spinach to this. And the spinach is just going to whelp down. It's gonna cook down. It's not gonna, so you can add as much as you like, because by the time you look, this all the spinach is shrink in the pot. So just want to add as much as you like. So I'm adding this amount. You could add broccoli instead of spinach. All right, pasta to the pot. Oh my goodness. And you just want to submerge the pasta into the sauce and let the flavors mingle with the pasta. Look at this. Oh my goodness, man. Make this for your dinner. You can make this for Valentine's Day, for your husband, and you just have a glass of wine. Simple and easy, you know. Make this however you like it, my love. And this is basically it. This is how I make my creamy. So much time I'm saying creamy. I'm gonna add a parsley flakes to it, about a teaspoon. The chicken on top like so. You can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing, man. And there you have it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. If you reach this far into the video, don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. I'm gonna do a taste test and tell you how it is tasting. This is creamy delicious. Bye, guys.